Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a RAM upgrade on your HP laptop. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have shut down the system. It needs to be completely powered off. Then you're going to flip it over, and on the right side you'll have the latch that holds on this bottom. You're going to pull that over and keep pulling. It'll kind of separate on its own for you. Then you can pull it the rest of the way off and set that to the side. Now on these, you may already have, well, you'll definitely already have one of these, but you may have two. You're going to need to remove these old memory chips. What you can do is, if you can see that, you're going to put your fingers on these clips and pull away from the memory, and it'll lift up. Then you can pull out on that to remove that and set that to the side. Then open your new one, and you'll notice this notch on it. That notch indicates the correct orientation. You'll notice in the slot down here that there's going to be that spot where that notched out spot goes. You're going to kind of slide that in there at an angle. There we go. And it'll still be at an angle. Then you push down until those clips secure it. And then you can put your back on. It's going to kind of sit down like this and slide back up, and then lock that, and then you are all set.